Attention NEET UG 2023 aspirants. Allen Digital is coming up with a much awaited crash course to help NEET UG aspirants to put their preparation in final gear and clear the exam with ease. Let's talk about the course. A result-oriented teaching approach will be used to teach all the crucial and score-boosting concepts. Interactive live classes with appealing visuals will be used to facilitate the easy comprehension of concepts. Doubt classes will be available every day to cater the academic doubts of the students. An extensive collection of study materials, past 10-year papers and class handouts will be available in digital format. Minor and major tests will be conducted based on the recent NEET UG pattern. A comprehensive analysis report will be available to assist the students to facilitate them in determining their areas of weakness and strength. So hurry up! Course starts from 23rd March. For more queries, kindly visit our website www.allendigital.in or call us at 9513736499.